What shall I do now?
Hey there, Ethan. What are you doing?
Well, you see, I'm doing nothing, actually.
Well, son, for your information, all the adult trains are out shoveling the railways. You shouldn't waste your time in here. You should go out and do a good deed, son.
To make a snow train?
Sorry, but I just can't. My dad told me to go do a good deed. Can you even believe that? But what is it?
I will think of something, and you go and ask George. He's smart. He would know for sure.
Hey, George, how are you? What is it that you're doing?
I'm conducting an experiment.
Well, is it a good deed?
Of course it is. Listen to me. Experiments are the vehicle of modern science.
Oh, really? Well, if they are, can I help with modern science too with you? What should I do?
Watch the indicator. How's it going, Ethan, huh?
Oh, well, you know, I guess that I'm way too young for real science, I'm afraid. Ow! Sam Sparky, hello! Any idea what I can do that could count for a good deed? Do you?
I know that sport exercises are good for your health. That's why I go skate on a snowboard. Do you want to come with me right now?
Yeah, let's go!
Hey, watch me.
Whoa, it's really cool!
So tell me, did you see that?
Yeah! But what kind of a deed is it?
Hey, dude, what's wrong with you? It's great for your health, and it's also fun.
You're just wasting your time. Do me a favor and do something good for a change.
Hey, watch me.
I want to do a good deed. Hey, Grandpa Billy, what can I do in order not to waste my time?
So crawl after me, and I will show you. We shall build a snow fortress.
A snow fortress? What for?
Well, you said that you wanted to do a good deed, didn't you? So go and do it.
George, have you seen Ethan by any chance?
He was helping me to conduct an experiment, but it didn't turn out so good.
But why?
Because no train that I have ever seen or learned about could ever travel at the speed of light, I'm sorry to say. Ethan and I were doing sports, and then all of a sudden he left me to help Grandpa Billy.
I heard that his dad told him to do a good deed. Did he find out what to do? Let's go and see. Oh, wow, it's so beautiful.
Absolutely awesome.
Ethan, did you both actually build this fortress?
Well, you could do much, much more than you can imagine if you don't waste your time all day long.
Thank you so much, Grandpa Billy. We never had such a great fortress before, and we had nowhere to play. But now all the little trains will be ever so happy.
Oh, thank you so very much.
Oh, yes, I got it.
Oh, yeah? What did you get?
I got that a good deed is something that after you do, you'll get a thank you for. Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes. Oh. Boop, beep, boop, 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 beep, 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 boop. Ba-da-ba, boop, 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 ba-da, boop, 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 ba-da, boop, beep, boop, boop. Huh? what are you doing here? I was the first to find this tree.
No way, Ethan. I remember that I was the first one here.
No, wait! I was here long before you two.
Guys, no offense, but I ran faster than you did, so I must have been the first.
There you go. They scarcely announced the best New Year tree competition till we started arguing.
All right, maybe it wasn't me who found this tree first after all.
And
not us.
Oh, you are so very kind. Let's assume then that I found it first.
I hope all of you guys remember that hewing trees in the forest is strictly forbidden. Even on the new year.
But where are we supposed to get a tree for the competition?
It's time for you to be original and show your creativity.
Do as you please. I'm going to show my creativity right away. My little New Year tree, my precious.
Is that good or what? Shall I add a chimney place for the presents?
Mom, Dad, my New Year tree doesn't fit in here. Do we really need the ceiling? Oh.
All right, children. You're all getting awards. Each one of you has created a great New Year tree. But I want to nominate an unexpected winner.
No, well, I can't be a winner. It wouldn't be right. I didn't take part in the competition.
It is not you.
Oh.
Hey, Vera, didn't we plant this tree here last spring?
Uh-huh.
Yes, children. This is the very tree that all the kids from our school have planted and cared for. This is it, the one we've all been looking after. The tree you plant with your own hands is always the best.
Happy New Year!
Today, at long last, my daddy is coming from a long-haul trip, Anthony. We always celebrate his coming back home from long trips.
Celebrations are nice. I only like vaccinations more than celebrations.
Oh, what time is it now? I really don't want to be late. Follow me, Anthony.
You shouldn't go first, Ethan. It could be dangerous.
I'm faster.
Stop, Ethan! Wait! There's an underground crossing here. Oh, you forgot the traffic rules.
Who needs those traffic rules?
Huh.
Hey, that wasn't right at all.
Good afternoon. But Ethan, you can't park over there.
Oh, it's your rules again, I see. Where can I park my trailer then, huh? Follow me, Anthony.
Stop! You can't go through a red light. It's dangerous, Ethan. You could get hurt.
Rules again. It's so boring when you follow every rule. You can't even play touch and run. And that's one of my favorite games. So you lose out, all because of your boring rules. Oh, I made it.
Oh, no, not the sparklers!
Yay! Sparklers!
Where is everybody? There are no guests, no surprises. Tell me, where are the carnival masks? Where are the balloons? Where are the sparklers? And where are all the fireworks?
Yes. Delivery service isn't doing well.
Trains are supposed to follow the schedule,
There must
right?
be something out of the ordinary if they're not here as of yet.
Huh?
Something's really wrong.
I think that I know what the problem is here.
Well, here come all of the guests.
Here are the surprises. It's good that we had some reserves. Ethan, now you know why everyone needs rules. It's essential.
Rules are needed in order not to cause others to suffer.
And also, the surprises that you made for your dad will not cause the suffering of other trains either.
Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.